In this video, you're going to learn about the most exciting new feature on Instagram. It's called shopping on Instagram. And this is incredibly exciting because it really changes Instagram from a platform where you can inspire customers and potential customers to a platform where you can sell directly to them. So let me give you an example of this. I'm on the Instagram account of this company, Tent Style. And you can see that they have pictures of their products here. It's kind of a tent that you tie up off the ground. Pretty cool. But you can see as I scroll down through their Instagram account, you can see in some pictures that there is a little shopping bag in the top right hand corner. So let's go click this open. Now I can see it says tap here to view products. And if I tap that open, up comes the product name and the actual price of it. If I click through, I'm going to be brought to this intermediary page where I can click through again. And now I'm being brought to the company's website where I can go ahead and buy the product directly. So this is extremely exciting for business owners because you can use Instagram as a way to directly sell to your customers now. And that's a big change from it just being a place to kind of inspire and show how the product is used in its environment, etc. So I'm going to come back here and just explain a little bit about how this works. So what's actually happening here is once you upload a photo, you just want to tag it, and then you can input the link to send off to so people can purchase the product. Now, Instagram isn't taking a cut of these transactions. That's the other exciting thing. If you wanted to advertise this post, then they would be making money on the advertisement, but they're not taking a commission on the sale, which is even better news for business owners. Now, I have to say that this feature here and shopping on Instagram right now at the time of recording this video is restricted to certain verticals for US businesses only. But I have done the research and the early trials have been extremely successful. So there's no doubt in my mind that this feature will be rolled out globally across every single vertical. So what does that mean for you? It means this is the number one reason why you should be taking Instagram seriously and building up your audience right now, because this ability to sell directly to your customers for free is just around the corner. So hopefully that has got you excited about this new feature and Instagram in general. And if you want to learn how to enable this feature, I will link the instructions in the resources of this video, and you can check then if it's available for you to do right now, or if not, just look forward to this coming to your market or vertical soon.